Hello Mandy, this is Dave Schultz. Welcome to NJS. This is a little brief tutorial on to get you started on Atlas Rubicon. I've added my name to your social studies grade 4 curriculum, and what you'll see if you click under, and once you log in and you see your list of courses, you're going to click under Develop, choose your social studies because it's the most developed of your curriculum right now. So it's a good place to get started to understand how this works. You'll see the list of units that are already finished in your social studies curriculum. But what you want to do right now is maybe tweak it a little bit to add some common core state standards or to make it a little bit more of your own. In order to do that, you can click on the unit, and what happens is the unit comes up. Right now the content area is California, and there are some standards for history or social studies in the Common Core. They're not as well developed as the English and math standards yet, but we can use them, and to do that all you have to do is add new, and you'll notice CCSS Common Core State Standards for ELA and English, or literacy and history and social studies, and they also have them for other subjects. Here they have California, AP, and other ones as well. What you just really need to look at is perhaps math, and we'll see where you can also add in the English for grades lower than grade 6 as well. But taking a look at this, we're looking at grade 4, and there's different content areas. So capacities of a literate individual might be a good place to start, and you want them in, say for example, that this introduction unit is a good place for them to build content knowledge, value evidence, and say use technology, or come to understand other people's perspectives and cultures. You can then add those to the unit, and if you click on here you'll be able to see that there's a little bit more information on each of these. You can also delete them by clicking on the X here, and once you've done that, you might add some more than essential questions to this content area, more content knowledge, some skills, and some more assessments. Your assessments then can depend on what standards you have actually included here, and in which case, if they have developed an introductory or mastered or we're practicing this area here, that will show here. You can click on that as you go along: introduced, practiced, and mastered. So you can actually, as you develop your curriculum, demonstrate at which level you are at under, whoops, here we go, underneath the learning activities, or underneath the assessment methods, which there is nothing there right now. But this also goes into our expected school-wide learning outcomes, and underneath resources we'll have to check with the librarian to see which textbooks you are using for that class. But that is a very brief overview of your grade 4 social studies curriculum. The others are not yet so developed, but feel free to give me an email or send me an email, and I'll be happy to answer any of your questions.